Welcome to everything you need to know about your new Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones. Let's take a quick look at the headphone controls. On the left ear cup, you have the power button, the sensory bass slider, and 4 LEDs to tell you when it's powering on or off, when it's pairing with the device, and how much battery life you have. You can also activate certain features by touching the outside surface. On the right ear cup, you have a multi-function button in the center, as well as an upper and lower button to adjust the volume and skip through tracks. Underneath, you'll see the port for charging and the port for connecting the auxiliary cable if you ever need to bypass the Bluetooth. To get started with Crusher ANC, first download the Skullcandy app from the App Store or Google Play. The app will guide you through turning on and pairing your headphones for the first time. If you don't have the Skullcandy app or can't download it, you can pair your headphones manually as well. To pair for the first time without using the Skullcandy app, make sure the headphones are off. If they happen to be on, you can turn them off by pressing the power button on the left ear cup for 4 seconds. If you've never turned them on, or you know they're off, they're ready to pair. Just press the power button for 5 seconds to turn them on and put them in pairing mode. The LED lights will flash red and blue, and a voice will confirm it.
Pairing.
Next, open the settings on your device. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. When Crusher ANC appears in your Bluetooth device list, select it, and you're done. The bottom LED light will flash blue, and a voice will make sure you know.
Connected.
Whenever you need to turn on your Crusher ANC, press the power button for 3 seconds. The LED lights will turn blue like this, from bottom to top. If you've already paired your headphones, they'll automatically connect, and the bottom LED will blink blue. To turn Crusher ANC off, just press and hold the button for 4 seconds. The voice will confirm,
Power off.
and the LEDs will go dark. To adjust the sensory bass on Crusher ANC, use the slider control on the left ear cup. Slide it down for less bass, or up for bass you can feel. The active noise cancellation on Crusher ANC will automatically be working when you turn the headphones on, but you can toggle it off and on by pushing the power button twice quickly. When you activate noise cancellation, the top LED will turn purple and a voice will confirm.
Noise cancelling on.
When you turn noise cancellation off, the top LED will go dark and a voice will confirm.
Noise cancelling off.
Crusher ANC also has an ambient mode, which allows you to hear your surroundings better than you can with the noise cancellation off. To activate ambient mode, touch the outside of the left ear cup for 3 seconds. The top LED will blink purple and the voice will confirm.
Ambient mode.
To turn off ambient mode and return to active noise cancellation, touch it again for another 3 seconds. The top LED will stop blinking and the voice will confirm.
Noise cancelling on.
To ensure you don't unintentionally activate ambient mode, it helps to handle your headphones by the armatures or the sides here. If you need to pause or play your music, quickly press the middle button on the right ear cup. To take a call, press the middle button for 1 second. To hang up, push the button again. To reject a call, press it for 2 seconds. To activate your device's assistant, press the middle button twice. To increase the volume, quickly press the top button. To decrease the volume, quickly press the lower button. To skip forward through tracks, press the top button for 3 seconds. To skip backwards, press the lower button for 3 seconds. To check the status of your Crusher ANC battery, press the power button on the left ear cup. The green LEDs will show you how much life you still have. 4 lights means you have a full charge. Each light represents 25% of your battery life. Crusher ANC's battery gives you up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge. To recharge, just plug the USB-C cable into this port here, and the rapid charge feature gives you 4 hours of playtime after just 10 minutes of charging. If you're having trouble with your Crusher ANC for any reason, a full reset may help. Here's the simple way to do it. Hold both the upper and lower buttons on the right ear cup for 10 seconds, and watch the colored LEDs. The top and bottom ones will turn yellow. Then, remove Crusher ANC from your paired devices list. You can now pair it again with any Bluetooth-enabled device. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your Skullcandy Crusher ANC wireless headphones. If you ever have any questions about how to use Crusher ANC, Check out our other videos, hit us up on social at Skullcandy, or send us an email.